monsieur.
It's okay. Nothing happens.
Have a seat, please.
Yes. Thank you.
So, do you like this country? Do you like Torreon?
Yeah, I do like it. Some of the police officers are a little bit rude, but it's okay. I like Torreon.
Yeah, it's a nice city. What about our facilities? Do you like it?
Well, I do like them, but I don't want to talk much about the facilities. I would like more to know more about the company.
Okay, the complete name is the Originals Mexican Jeans Company, which was established 25 years ago in the city of Tlahualilo. We have more than 2,800 employees. We are in the textile sector of this industry.
And what about the strategy that your company does?
Our strategy, our mission is to be the lead company in the manufacture of denim jeans. Our vision is to be positioned in different countries besides the USA. We have also a low cost generic strategy besides our high quality products.
And what would be the threat that you consider most importantly in your company?
Threats. To be honest, the biggest threat is piracy. Because here in Mexico we have something called fayucas or black markets, as you may know. They have our products there in a cheaper way, but obviously those are not our own products. Mm, we also have as a strength our high quality production and also that we want to improve our technologies, our technology in this manufacturing thing. Also, we have nowadays the opportunity to export to different countries besides USA, as I told you before. We want to export to Canada. This is the reason of this meeting. And one of our biggest weakness is the rotation of jobs, because there are some seasons in which we have a low production. The highest seasons of production are summer and December. This is when we hire a lot.
Now I would like to know more about the selected product that you chose to sell in Canada.
Our selected product, yeah? So here we have been manufacturing this for more than 20 years. Denim, tons of denim per year. We're really proud of it. It's finished. When we export it, it's already finished. So you don't need to put anything else in it.
Do you have it in other colors?
Yeah, we have it really in blue and in gray.
Okay, now I would like to know more about the target market that you search in Canada.
Marketing, eh? Let me talk to my head of external relations.
Here I am, boss.
The hell?
What do you need me for?
You just freaked me out. Okay, I'm calming down. Can you explain to our guest why we choose the Canadian market?
Of course, I can stay in charge. You can leave if you want.
So now, I would like to know more about the target market, Mr. Sorry, what was your name?
Sorry, my name is Alejandro Carrizales.
Okay, so what is the target market that the enterprise search for?
Well, our target market is young Canadians between 15 and 30 years old.
And why did you select Canada?
Mainly because thanks to the NAFTA, we have few barriers to entry there, and also because the 87% of the Canadians likes to use imported clothes.
Okay, okay. But now let's talk about the factors that influence the commercialization of your denim products.
Could you tell me one?
For example, the legal
Okay,
factor.
let me open my files. Where? For the legal, for the successful entry of our products to the Canadian market, we observe certain requirements and standards. Our product does not belong to the category of goods controlled or restricted, so you only have to go through a check of quality control, which that was held by several Canadian companies. Also, you should give custom declarations about the origin of our products and the value of the goods at the customs office. After the custom office is responsible for providing the code SHINE, that's a Canadian code, and solve the doubts about tariffs and taxes.
Okay, now I see that you did your research. What about the economic factors?
Well, the economic, obviously, for enter the Canadian market, you need to invest in mainly in terms of transportation. So, as the whole company, this would be held by foreign capital. And now the Canada's economy is relatively good. So we have a low cost product. So it's accessible to anyone with an average per capita income.
What do you consider that is the geographical advantage of our country? What are the factors that allow the product?
Well, talking about geographic, our logistic plan is first to export to the main points that could be like Calgary, also Ottawa, and Vancouver. And once we have our products there, we will distribute it to the towns nearby.
Those zones are more because they have a warm weather, right?
Yes.
Okay.
And they have also a lot of population.
Oh, okay. Okay. And what about the cultural factors that our people has?
Well, the Canadian culture, like, you know, they are not completely nationalist, so they like the foreign products as well.
Okay. Could you tell me more about the politics in Canada? How would it interfere with our product?
Well, talking about politics, there are not policy issues that can affect our product.
Okay. Okay. And about the ethical way of working in our company?
I think that thanks to the NAFTA, we don't have some ethic issues because we don't have barriers, so we don't have to pay, how to say, bribes
Hmm.
to enter that market.
Would you pay a bribe to enter a certain market?
No, we have a good quality, so we don't have.
Okay. What about your entry stages, strategies?
We are going to produce the product and we will send it to Canada because we are going to take advantage of the customs bonded warehouse program. And then we will store it in those warehouses until we have enough to position our product in many Canadian stores, as we can, paying no taxes until we release our product. And also, we have some marketing idea. I want you to explain it. I want me to explain it. In the vespers of the release of our product, we will organize a fashion show. We will participate in the Western Canada Fashion Week, the second most famous in the country, of the same year. Okay, what about the price? We were thinking about 25 Canadian dollars, which is almost like 300 Mexican pesos. This is based on an average of the price of denim jeans in several Canadian online apparel stores. Also, having in account our fixed and variable costs. And about our product presentation. Well, actually, denim jeans, as you may know, don't need a lot of package, only a small label. I know about the label, well, it must be ornamented with something. We are going to work on that. Also, I want you to explain our financial projections. He has know about it, but I will explain it anyway. Okay, here in Mexico we have several advantages of exporting our products, some incentives. Okay, there are some laws for and some supports. We pick three of the most useful for us. The first one is the market research and business plans for exportation or internationalization, which is in ProMexico. It's a web page about it. Um, they can help us. They can help us with more than 200,000 Mexican pesos. Also, the Mexican government can help us in the design of a product international image campaign, which is related to marketing. they can help us giving like 500,000 Mexican pesos, and also organization of business meetings. The government will organize them, and they will help us in these meetings, giving us like 150,000 pesos. So it's good for me. So, what do you think about it?